Cosmopolitan is a luxury resort located in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip. This resort is known to be sexy, chic, provocative, and a lot of fun. It is now in the transition of operations from Marriott Autograph Collection to MGM Resorts. Today we will check in. Then we're gonna do a room tour, visit the pools, go around this luxurious resort, especially the secret bars, and play the casino. MGM, I usually check in online. I know they're still working with under Marriott Autograph Collection, and everything will be with MGM Rewards not until February of 2024. This is the queue for at 10:30 a.m. and it's quite bad, but it's moving. The queue is so long, they started giving out water. Thank you! The reason why I'm trying to check in the normal ways, not online, is because I want an upgrade. I needed an upgrade for the fountain view because I know you'll like the fountain view. I've seen videos of it. It's really amazing. I'm so excited for my room. They did give me a free upgrade. Check-in is over and now let's go check our room. So excited to show you this room. This room is a king terrace with a fountain view. Let's go in. Hello! Once you enter, you have the loo here on my left, but you're right, and we're about to see it now. But first, this is their light switch, and it has hello, relax, goodbye. Okay, back to hello. Don't worry, you can close this one. And then you have a separate bathtub, a separate shower, and a separate loo. It's quite a big space and you have to come inside so you can see all of this. This is the bathtub. This is actually not a bathtub, this is a jacuzzi. There's a lot of bubbles just from their shampoo. You have the towels right here so you don't have to get out. This is a very spacious shower room. You can sit there or put your items there so that it doesn't get wet. And then you have the shower. Look at the finishing of this one. Very well thought of. It's not the usual MGM toiletries. Checking the loo right now. Opening it, and that's the loo right there. Very spacious. Ooh, look at that design. Wow, the interior of this place. The artwork is just amazing. I love it. This bathroom tissue is so good. I usually use Charmin. I don't know the brand of this one. Once you go out, you have your cabinets right here. Is it a working one? Yep, it's a tray. Ooh, what's inside? Oh, a hair dryer. Cool. And the second one doesn't have anything. Oh my god, I want to stay here for days. I love the lit mirror always, and I think I look extra pretty. And what do we have here? A mouthwash, a facial soap, and a body lotion. You have ashtray. Oh, I actually don't know what this is. It's not an ashtray. Wow, this cute little thing. What is this cute little thing? Ear cleaner, cotton. You need that. I always like having this in the hotel because I can't see well and I love it for my makeup. Now let's check out the studio space. Since this is a studio terrace, there is a living room right here. You have a lot of chairs on this space. You can watch your TV here. And they also have a business table right here. I don't know how to turn this on. This is a tip envelope, modern phone right here. Right behind is the bar. Let's check it out right now. Okay, Cosmo, you have this. Nice. You have the lighting on your hands. An ice bucket right here. And then you have this. I don't know if it's touch sensor, but I don't think so. But I'm not gonna touch it. I'll find out later, but I just don't want to touch it. Let's check if they have a mini fridge right here. Da-da-da! Yes, they do! And this is a fridge itself. It's not a cabinet. Wow. This is the mini bar right here. I think this one is touch sensor. So I'm not gonna touch it or lift it up. And then we have... Oh! Whoa! There's a separate mini fridge. And you have... Whoa! Okay, this is an empty closet. Glad to know, right? Now let's check out the actual bed. And this is the king size bed. Isn't it wonderful? Woo! I'm gonna roll over this one and it ain't gonna fall. This Egyptian linen is really, really soft. Oh, okay. Reading light over here. That's cool. And we have the cordless foam. Across your bed is the cabinet. You have to see this one. I just love the finishing of this cabinet. Cabinet number 1, you have your robe right here. And the hanger is blue and not an anti-theft one. There are 2 luggage racks, which is very helpful. This cabinet has your locker. Yes, I need slippers. Cool, cool, cool. And now let's check out the view. It's amazing. Please press like because it helps spread to wider audience. And now let's change and get ready for the pool. Just say push. Well, the water is warm, but not the shower. Let's go to the next pool. The fitness center is also here, so while we're here, let's check out the fitness center.
Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick.
It's closed. The pool is, but the restaurant is open. So right now, this pool is closed, the boulevard. If you happen to be here during spring, summer, or even fall, you get a really nice view of the strip. Every winter, they change it into an ice rink. So that's pretty exciting. I want to try that, but it won't happen till 2 weeks from now. It's just the timeline for them to build this ice rink. Club. It's open during winter. It's probably the only open pool during winter because they have heated roof right here and the pool is actually heated and warm. It's very great. I do suggest you subscribe because there's more. Let's go. During nighttime, this turns into a club and yeah, it's a pretty happening club. I highly suggest going here. I've been here, partying here. The crowd is really great. I'm so hungry right now. Let's go to lunch. Coming from Marquee Day Club, right below it, second floor or right across it, is the Eggslut. And here it is, the slut. We're gonna try the slut right now. It comes in a jar, some bread. The music is loud all over Cosmo. Just so you know, if you like your eggs fully cooked, this is not for you. Let's go try it out. delicious. A little salty, but for me it's just perfect. This Eggslut is actually originally from Los Angeles by Chef Alvin Calan from 2011. Now he's high-profile Filipino-American chef. We're starting with this one for our meal, but we have a whole day ahead and we're gonna go into bars and eat some more. I'm almost done and I'm gonna return this jar, and then after lunch I have to go back to the room because I was so wet and cold during lunch, and then I have to shower and then change, and now we're gonna go around and see what's here in Cosmopolitan. By the way, the whole of Cosmopolitan smells so good. There are 3 sets of elevators here at the Chelsea Tower, so I suggest remember that one because you don't want to get lost. I love it. What are these? I just saw something. This thing is cool.
Stepping into the club now, I know you notice me. Wanna be your medal, first prize, although you cheat. Let's turn the lights up, turn it out, turn it out. You and me like a face up, building up, building up. Your head's in the blur 'cause of me.
Going around here is really nice, and now we're here at the chandelier. Can I record you?
Yes.
Oh, why? Love it.
So you're gonna take a sip of the drink first. Become familiar with it. After you take a sip, you're gonna take the entire yellow flower. It's a Szechuan buzzbud. You're gonna pop the whole thing in your mouth. Chew it very good. Both sides of your mouth, under your tongue, about 5 to 10 seconds.
It's bitter.
It's totally safe to swallow. Okay?
Wow, it's spicy.
And then sip the drink again. It is gonna intensify, so know that it's gonna be a little aggressive on your taste buds.
Okay,
That's what's supposed to happen. Okay?
I must say it's worth a try. I'll show you the bars next week. If you want to see that, subscribe. But we're not done here. We're having Jose Andres Chino Poblano for dinner.
I know that I just met you, but you look. Oh girl, you blow my mind. I know.
Scallions, chili oil.
Wow, it looks good. We're here at Chino Poblano, and this restaurant is by Jose Andres, the only 2 Michelin star chef in the world. I ordered a Chinese dish and a Mexican dish. So excited to try this place. This is hakao or hargao, and we're gonna try it right now. It's actually shrimp dumpling, and I'm excited to try this because they have their
with hickamon mushrooms, and it comes with edible gold flakes on top as well.
Bye, Eddie. I'm dead. It's good.
I played a little bit of Sluts after, but I'm so tired and drunk.
If I think about Cosmopolitan, I do feel like I'm in a windstorm at 9 in the morning.
To stay in Cosmopolitan is such a privilege. I think it's worth it to save up and try. I was entertained in every way. From the room,
Cosmopolitan, where did you get your toilet paper? Because that's the best toilet paper I've ever had. And that bathtub, oh my gosh, I didn't even know that's such a jacuzzi.
to the pool, to the restaurants and their bars.
The restaurants here are amazing.
It is truly chic, sexy, provocative, and a lot of fun.
Let me know if you have questions, comments, suggestions, stories to tell. I love reading them. See you next time, and off I go.